Tene wa tene ri. Na titana moiga, I'm talking about people who grew up and the primary late 80s and the 90s.
Acio ne likarira ritu.
Kwa jeru aya mari primary in the 90s ri. Those are a transitional generation. Yes.
Iwa gucenjia kuma maundu maria mari kuo nginya maria mari kuo.
Na maicenjia na ihenya muno. You see, for the oil. Hey, the maudu mari remained the same for a very long time.
Yes.
Kuma the independence guka ginya kedu 1993.
Yes.
Maudu ne macenjagia kahora muno.
Ne warora nginya barabara kona ngari gutire na ngari njeru ironeka nyingi.
No, kuma 1996.
Yes.
Maudu kuma gwokire frequency modulation.
Yes.
FM.
Yes. Kameme gakiingira hau.
Kameme gakiingira. Tuikarangite oguo ri. Hey si thimo. Tuikarangite oguo ri. Ino internet. Tuikarangite go cyber cafe.
Yes.
Wai, ona tutiramenya kwa.
Maundu makamebe baine maigi piu.
Yes.
Yes.
Turari horo andu makona kindu geto pen pal.
Do
you remember pen pal?
I remember.
Yes.
Pen pal mundu toy I'm sorry.
Matigenyita menas.
Matigenyita no tomataririe.
Pen pal is the equivalent of what a follower on Facebook is. Yes.
Sawa?
Never mind pen pal, the modus operandi was very different.
Yes.
You see, omothe uigura profile kagia followers andu maka like andu mago follow pen pal ri one ndiari yadwa yige tondu ni aini vovaga ke
kashi besha
tauni ndai na pen pal atatu athugu
eno na 3 followers.
Yes, I had 3 girls. Umwe akoragwo Pennsylvania, ogia akoragwo Seattle, ogia akoragwo Beverly Hills. Yes. Pen pal ri akurigana kuria thomeire ri ni marua mwandikanagira.
Yes. Ukande kairwo na ndukwandikanage koyo.
Okay, introduce wega.
Wene weo.
My name is Humphrey Goni
Thoita.
I am a Kenyan. I live in the vibrant,
yes,
the vibrant city of Nairobi. I would like to be your friend. I am in class, blah, blah, blah.
Yes.
My hobbies. Hello, kahenania. Torunuona wiki nyajeru.
Okambia na kwetu vera.
Kenya nyajeru. Because my hobbies are ice skating.
Nataka weka kindu etagwo ice skating.
Yes.
Guteng'era na thahabu iguru.
Hockey.
Maindio wakorwo gutire kiharo.
Billiards.
Ando ine ndio.
Yes. And polo. Polo dhake ona barathi.
Yes.
Ine
ka golf ka barathi.
It would make your esteem go very high.
Yes.
Wetirwo marwa ati muthugu ucio watumire ni acokia marwa.
Imagine reply na mathomagirwo faredi hau no metanagirwo. Yes.
Acio ithu twamire Nairobi. Maundu mo ni ma-encourage muno ni gukona sports na nikiona ithu twahota gutuma marwa. Tondu twaguragirwo stamps ni aciari amwe. Yes.
Okay.
So stamp ya gutuma irua muri. Simseso. Yes.
Sim chezo.
Yes. Heka gigetago bullock. Kandu magira ginya postcard. Yes. Ya kuma Beverly Hills. Na niwe Beverly Hills ni undu andu aria matoiri. Na nikio utare waigua mundu wanyu ati ni athie murimo athi Beverly Hills.
Ati ni kwa ikaraga.
Beverly Hills ni okale ni narunda gake.
Kamurimo karoga ka USA.
Ego ikaraga Celine Dion.
Aria mena kiondo.
Mundu wa Tesla etagwo atia? Araitwa nani?
Wewe uratwara rocket na uko iguru.
Musk.
Elon.
Wako hizo maeria. Riu kwatu marua. Ukaigua nuetirwo marua ma ucoke. Kaigua hi John.
Ukaigua kuanga ciega.
This is Sandra. I am in receipt of your last letter. I was overjoyed, delighted, and excited to hear from you.
Oh, yes.
I am looking forward to engage. and be friends and pen pals.
Oh, yes.
It's from the pal. You know, you're my pal.
Yes, you're my friend.
Karamu, pen pal. That was our social media back then.
Exactly.
Well, never mind. Those you do who jiriate ko do ko.
Dwavile mo, no?
You do why to meet ganete. You do all resources.
Yes.
Ono gathie gwetia thoguo bia. Ati he muthungu renda gutumira marwari.
Ngoria kana gogora motu kana tokogora vitembo.
Agora ia thiriri. Ona ni ndingithura muthungu ucio.
Etagwo atia.
Ona ndingithura muthungu muri oi. Nigo kinderio okundiria kundu kuri.
Goko. Yes.
Ona nikuote kanete ukagura noku.
Goko.
Riu ukuhorera i. Ona ni thitembo itekinyage.
Itekinyageria.
Mami gwangire muthungu.
Yes.
No, it was very exciting.
Yeah.
Kwaje ni ndacokerio marua matatu. Never mind thio twathoma wakire ciana cia mburo. Ni wakora nginya mundu na marua 14.
Standard class 4.
Yes. Mundu atumirwo marua kuma Canada. Nginya heo kiwanjirithi atiriri. I think it was Sandra, the same girl. Ai natunyegerera guko tukai. Ndiru athugura mezinyegerera tukai. Yes. Akinyandikira Dear Humphrey. Yes.
Yes.
This is Sandra. I'm very delighted at your last letter. I thank you so much. Onida horete bicha. De National Park gamiatachike.
They know I don't area.
Na twaikarie muno tugetha handu tungiona leopard. Iko ye
background.
Yes, na name just ya film. I was so delighted to see your place. I am looking forward to visiting you.
Yes.
I am therefore extending an invite to you to come and visit our family at Seattle. Looking forward to hosting you.
Okay, wa maundu ni mahinguka.
Era my late dad athiriri. Ndimwite Seattle. Andu maenda turianire.
Tugena gaikaro.
Ndimwite. Tetwo nginyako. Ja wa bururi kidogo.
Yokinyokia mere.
And you know there were no restrictions on visa.
The
country was very smooth.
Yes.
Tukiuriria. Tukiro thabari yo ikari.
Egothie tu.
Tuge tuthie uguo twathie kumacerera arata itu a murimo ri.
Mukarianire.
Ni kuria ngiri magana mau.
Magana tatu.
And it is in the 90s.
1990, 300,000 Kenya shillings. That's a lot of money.
Yes.
Yes.
Muthea hire ciringi gana rimwe akinjira cerera mundu uria urenda.
Tigana na muremo.
No rojo no agire muno na turajuga ni agagia bia. No gathie kuona Sandra.
Sandra I'm a Jew.
Rojo ndarekania na hiyo. Oh my goodness, you people live alongside leopards. Those are our cats.
Domestic animals.
In fact, I'm just from feeding our crocodiles. Our elephants are a little grumpy today. They refuse to come to the picture. But I enjoy a lot, especially patting our lions. Yes. Now kinya maego ma ginyana nacho. Yes.
Back then. All right. That can't